Hello, Adam1911 here again, and today, well, right now, we're out on my beautiful patio, and we are shooting both these guns, like I said in the last video. So, what I'm going to do is shoot this one first, probably at the closer can, and then shoot this one, and compare the two cans, see how much damage is done, and then that's the video. So, let's hope my accuracy is actually on today. And let's start popping cans. And you're empty. Okay. That was a really good run. Now, let's shoot the next can. I might have to get a little closer because this is a little bit less accurate at this kind of distance, but it should be fine. Oh, shoot. I'm stupid. My flashlight. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to load my gun. Wow. I feel really foolish. Hold on, guys. This will only take a couple seconds. I promise. Son of a... Well, scratch that. This might take a minute. And I'm sorry in advance that I didn't do this. Ah, crap. Here. Oh, really? You're gonna make me chase you? Yeah. Again, I'm really sorry about this. I should have known. Should have known. But seems like I'm almost done here. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, it's all loaded up. I'm sorry for that drastic change, but that was foolish of me. But I guess it was safe. So let's try that again, shall we? Safe is off. Let's start popping cans. Wow, that goes by fast. You know what? I'm just going to load him up really quick with like 3 more shots just to compare it. So, okay. No, that's not a good idea. Let's just do that. Keep that there. That works. It's not full, but it's not empty. And it'll work. Yeah. It's pretty close. But, yeah. This'll work. So I'm just going to take a couple more shots that I can. On safety, mag back in, put it in the holster. That was fun, I'll tell you that. This gun handles really well. You have to aim it a little bit down because those BBs go up a little bit. But it's overall a great gun if you can compensate for that. Let's go review the cans. there go all my babies. Well, this did not do the... Now, this can is from Sig Sauer. And it's typical, you know, holes everywhere. A little bit of a burst open there. Okay, calm down. A little bit of a burst open right there. But that's typical, you know. This guy got bashed open. I mean bashed open. Wow, I'm actually shocked. And that's from the Glock 19. Wow, that's impressive. That's very impressive. I'll tell you that. I was not expecting this much damage, to be fair. But wow, that is really incredible. So, in comparison, yeah, I think the Glock won, like it normally does. Yep. So, ending review on it. It's a great gun. I meant to do that, by the way. It's a great gun. I suggest getting it, actually, because if you are, say, if you just want training, if you want training with a firearm, you want it to be cheap, you want something cheap to go in it, you don't want to spend all that money on a great gun, buy this. If you're training, this will give you all the fundamentals. It's an exact replica, plus the orange tip, to show people it's not real. But this is the 6mm version. Now, they do have a 4.5mm version without the orange tip for, I don't know, other things. But other than that, I think it's a great gun. If you were to get this gun or this gun, I'd say this over this, honestly. Because it's so nice. It's accurate. It's accurate to the actual model. And plus, this represents basically every single kind of self-defense thing you could possibly train for. You can do every single drill with this, practically, and you would probably get out the same amount of material as with a real gun at a real range, or whatever you do. Now, don't quote me on that, but I'm just saying, this is pretty close, and it is great for training. It is great for training. Yeah, that should wrap up the video for this. Like I say all the time, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.